as you can see, the safe did not get open, but it is open. So let's take a look. So we weren't actually able to get the door propped open, but we did get it, and it's dark in there, obviously. But it's just an empty box. There were some dimes down there. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go to work tomorrow, and everybody I promised to give a gold bar to, sorry, there was no gold bars. But you gotta at least try. It cost me 200 bucks to pay this guy to open it, and he took like 3 days to do it. So it's been like a week and a half of him just coming back a couple hours every night. But nothing was in it, and there it is, guys.